Hey guys, so I'm still trying to program my remote control. Well, my keyless entry for my old Level 7 here. And I was told to replace the driver door module with a Grand Marquis or Town Car. Well, I can tell you right now, after going through 1, 2, motherfucking 3, and the 4 one in the car there, that's a fucking lie. What about year groups? 08, 06, 08. That one's in 07, or that's in 06. And there's another fucking one I've been trying around here. So I gave them maybe 4scan can actually program this now. I got told by the internet that if I change this, which I originally had it at, turn up this little brightness, to 815, put it to 2915, it should program. So, what we're going to do right now, as I'm rage sitting in the Crown Vic right now in the garage, we're going to turn this camera at me, and we're going to try this. So, key out. This is written. I'm going to close this out real fast. I'm going to unplug the little module. Keys. Remote. Unlocked. Cycle 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Motherfucker! Each one of those modules cost me $60 to $80. $60 to $80. Unfortunately, as you could probably tell from that sound, this did not program. Which means I have a bad remote. Or bad battery. It's cold in this garage. It is 3:13 in the morning. Now Friday. To find out I had to change one digit, not a driver door module, but to change a digit in 4scan. Driver door module A08 010, whatever the heck it is, 2915. And pressing right. On a happy note, the Blue Devil did its job, and the leak is now taken care of on this engine. So at least I'm not pissing coolant. I'm gonna see if I have another remote laying around. Be right back. Found another one, but I'm not hopeful. I don't remember where I got this one from, but it's been sitting on a pile of shit for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, that's suspicious. That's two remotes that don't work. Why are the two remotes that don't work? I'll have to figure out this a little more. But I've made progress. So there's that. My rage is somewhat subsided now. So there's that. So I'm gonna, these are junkyard ones, so I'm gonna go on Slamazon, buy some more, and maybe I'll upload this when they arrive. So at least I have something new going on. I'll get back to you guys. Back with Noble 7, this is a few days later. And here is what I was missing. It's the fucking transmitter for that door control module. This is in the passenger side C-pillar. Pull that down, rip it out of a junkyard car. Luckily I got an 07, so exact same part. Snip the wires long enough. I had to do a little short because the car was crushed. Go to the wrecked car of your choice. You're going to find a little cable. Where's this little bastard? Here it is. It's going to plug in right there. Again, on your module, it's going to sit right just like this. It's right there. Chop off the door, give yourself a lot of leeway. All the colors match. Not one thing different. So, I'm going to solder this bitch, and hopefully my rage will end. And now we're soldered, I'm going to wrap these wires up. Watching Donut Operator. Alright, we're all wrapped up. It's not my best work, but for testing purposes, this will work. I ran the wire. It goes here, down low, and loops up to here. This thing is shot, but hopefully this works. Alright, take whatever the hell this is. Door is somewhat back together. Drop down this guy for a second. You guys can see my weird face. Got the key in, got the remotes. Come on, 7. Don't screw with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why didn't that one work? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, it's so, learn from my suffering. Let me check the windows now, too. It doesn't rub. Side note, I learned while my brake light and ABS light was on. ABS unit quit. Can you believe that? So, that marquee gave me a lot of gifts. I tried grabbing the ABS unit, but the ports were different. So, I'm gonna put this back together. And do a test outside the vehicle. Stay tuned. Alright, test. Oh, well, that was a waste. I'll have to edit that out, probably. No trunk. I can live with that. But yeah, more work is being done, slowly but surely. I had a fucking cover for the engine block, so I'm kind of annoyed. But we shall see what happens next. Noble 7 is getting a little bit better every day. Oh, if you guys didn't know, she's now proudly registered at the great state of New York. Oh, and also out of service light bar cover. Well, we shall foresee. Well, we shall see what happens next for her. But she's come a long way. Thanks for watching. And one final bit of good news for me. It's hard to do one-handed. Very hard to do one-handed. Come on. Okay, one sec. Yeah. I will give it the mod later on for the vapor lock issue, but we have an engine cover. Little bits make me happy. Retake. So that's the old battery box that has poor Crown Vic. See that hole right there? Nice to be there. What's supposed to look like. To prevent any kind of more bullshit happening, I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna look for my silicone grease. Can't find that. We'll go with something different. But I'm gonna lubricate that thing so that way it does not break on me again, or first time for this case. Yeah, screw it. WD-40. The penetrant. A little side action lubrication. This thing's mostly empty. There. Okay. Now put this thing back in the frame. And this part sucks. By the way, this thing has been pulled out before. That looks kind of... Okay, it's not bad, just flaky. Still, we are just about done. That fell in way too easy than how much I fought it to come back out. Alright, so the good old battery back in. This is the one from the junkyard I picked up a long time ago. Alright. Put this down for a sec. Alright, battery's in. Let's see. And now we have a nice tied down battery. Fuck yes. Put the boot back down. Practicing out zoom. Finally. Alright. That's one small thing fixed. One personal thing fixed. And one ABS unit I got fucking refined. Because the one I got at the yard was the wrong size. Unfortunately. But whatever. Here's what it is. We'll see if I can find some more. Oh yeah, before I forget, let me make sure that the locks still work. Ooh, there we go. That's nice. I'm glad I put that in there. Alright. That's enough for tonight. I'm tired. But Noble 7 is getting a little more done every day.